Dre didn't prep me for any of this disclaimer.
Alright, first question. Why do you hate K-pop?
Let's get right into it. I don't hate K-pop.
What's the weirdest smell you ever smelled? Have you ever been caught red-handed in the act of something?
I've been caught cheating. She was so pissed too. I've been caught cheating on a test.
Damn.
Let's call it.
I'm gonna edit that.
Yeah, edit that.
Ooh, nice. Alright, this is... Whoa. Hold up. Ooh! Okay. Ooh! 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 Hold up. I did not expect that. That shit go hard. The Eve Psyche and the Bluebeard's wife. That's wait, hold on. Let me play that one back. Let me run that back. Run that back. It's not just a twerk. Bro, you can use this song to anything right now. Ooh, ooh. Katrina. It's that type of vibe. Ooh. Hey, B-side. That little like in the background. It's fire. Should I check out the live performance? I'm down. The comeback show? Bet. Thank you for the posture check. Woo! That's fire. I wish for what's forbidden. Get it like boom, boom, boom. Get it like boom, boom, boom. This is considered house, right, chat? I need a bass boosted version for real. You're right. Get it like boom, boom, boom. Get it like boom, boom, boom. Ooh, this shit go hard. I want to go to a SSERAFIM concert just for this song. That shit'll go hard. Boom, boom, boom. Makes me just want to dance like a white girl. Girl wanna have fun. Hey. Hold up, we need to take a break and check out the performance video of that because that shit go hard. This gonna be fire. Hold up. Hey.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.